iPhone side button. So what every senior needs to know about this magical button here on your side of your iPhone. So this button here, so I'm going to talk about what are the things that can be done with this button here on your side here, which is also essentially called the power button. So the side button or the power button here. So what are the things that we can do with this button? I'm going to discuss in this video briefly here. So this side button here on your side here, it's not just a power up button. I know we mostly use this to like wake your phone up. That's what we use this button for, okay, to quickly like lock your screen or power up your phone. So apart from like locking your phone screen quickly or like waking up your phone or power up your phone, you can do a lot of other things like activating Siri and like activating other functions that you want it we want it to be done with this button here. So we're going to look into all these things. So firstly, what we can do is you can actually activate Siri on by using this button here. So if you like press this button repeatedly for like 5 times, like 1 2 3 4 5, so this will activate Siri for you. Okay, so you can like access Siri through this button here. So if you don't want that to happen, or if you don't want to use that, then you can activate or you can like configure the settings. If you go to the settings option on your iPhone and then scroll all the way down and then select Siri. Okay, when you select Siri here, so what we're going to do is select this option here which says talk to or type to Siri. So just this option here, talk to or type to Siri, open it up, and then here you have this option here where it says press side button for Siri. So if you activate it, this will activate the side button which you can use to activate your Siri. If you don't want, you can just turn it off to like off this button off, so it won't activate this Siri for you. So you can use this button to activate Siri if you want to. So that's one feature of this button here. Apart from that, you can also use this button here for emergency service. So if you are like want to activate any emergency service and stuff, you can either use this button alone or this button together with one of these volume buttons. You can just press these two to activate the emergency SOS system. So if you want to like adjust those settings here, go to settings app again on your settings app here. So what we're going to do is on your settings app, go and select this option here which is your emergency. So scroll all the way down and you will see this option called emergency and SOS. Tap on it, and then here you will see there is an option called call with 5 button presses. So if you tap on these, what happens is that if you press this button 5 times again, okay, 1 2 3 4 5, it will activate the emergency service SOS option for you. Okay, but if you don't want that, or if you don't really need the emergency service or anything, so what you can do, you can simply tap this button to turn it off. So that's one way of activating the emergency service. It might be helpful especially for senior people, in case of any emergency. You can simply use this button, just have to press it 5 times and it will activate any emergency calls and everything for you, which is pretty good and handy. Okay, and also there is another feature of this button here. So what is it? If you double click this, so if you double click this, you will see that it opens up your wallet. So it opens up your phone pay here. So your whatever your payment method, like from the wallet app, so whatever your Apple Pay or any other payment methods that you have on your iPhone, it opens up by just a double click. So you can simply use this button to double click it and you'll be able to access payment methods on your phone. And if you want to like adjust these, or if you don't want these to happen, so what you're going to do, you're going to go to the settings option again on your phone, go to the settings option, and then from the settings scroll down and you will see to this option here. Scroll all the way down and you will see this option called wallet and Apple Pay. So just tap on the wallet and Apple Pay, and here you have this option here on the side which it says double click side button. Okay, the double click side button option here, you can turn these off if you don't want to, if you want to like You don't want to, if you don't want to activate it, you can just turn it off, or if you want to activate it, you can just turn that on. So you can double click to access your wallet and Apple Pay. If you want to activate that, you can just fix it from there. So that's where you can configure the payment through payment for your Apple Pay or any other wallet payment methods through this switch here. Okay, so that's one way. Another way what you can do with this, you can use this button here to end calls. So for example, actually by default, this button, if you press this button while you're on a call or anything, it will end the call. Okay, it will like cut the call for you. So that's how it's been set up. But for some reason, if you think that you don't want that to happen, so you don't want to use this button, because sometimes when we are on a call we accidentally press this button, right? Like, it happens sometimes, we accidentally press it. But if you press it, what happens? The call ends. But you don't want that to happen, so you don't really want that to happen. So in that case, what you can do, again, go to the settings option here. Okay, settings option here on your phone. So once you're on the settings option, so here, go to this accessibility option here. So select the accessibility option, so tap on it. Okay, so tap on it, and once you're on the accessibility screen here, so what we're going to do, you're going to scroll down and then select this option here, which it says like touch. Okay, tap on it. So when you tap on it, this opens up this whole lot of settings here. Scroll all the way down till you see this option here where it says prevent lock to end call, this one. So this is the button that you need to, if you want to activate the button, then you have to turn this on. If you don't want to activate it, just tap that and turn it off. So this, if you turn it off, this will stop this button. If you press this button during a call, it will not end the call. Okay, so that's how you turn this off. Okay, so that's another thing, another feature of this side button, which you can activate or deactivate if you don't want to have it. Okay, and sometimes earlier when I said, you can like press this button like 5 times or sometimes 2 times in order to activate a certain specific function. But sometimes if you're having issue like pressing these 5 times, especially this is more in case for like elderly people or seniors who actually find it difficult to press this 5 times speed in a specific speed in order to activate a specific feature. Okay, so if you're like finding it difficult to press that 5 times or 3 times or twice to activate a specific feature, then what you can do, you have the ability to actually reduce the speed of this, like how the speed, you can actually adjust the speed of this button. Okay, so in that case, what you can do, you can easily adjust the speed of this button from the settings itself. So go to the settings option here. Okay, in the settings option here, if you go again to your accessibility, so select accessibility here on settings, so select accessibility. So once you're on the accessibility here, what we're going to do is scroll all the way down and you will see an option called side button. Okay, you'll see an option called side button. So select the side button option, and here you will see like the click speed here. So let's say, see, the one is the default. If you want to make it slow, you can click on slow, or if you want to make it even slower, you have the slowest. So you have these 3 options here. So if you want to do slowly, select the slow option, or if you want the slowest, click on the slowest. That will be even slow. So choose and see which suits you. Okay, so suits you like for you, which you feel comfortable with. Okay, so whatever you feel comfortable with, you can simply select that, and that will control the speed of this button whenever you want to use it. So which is pretty good and handy, especially for elderly people who have issues like pressing this with the pressure for like 3 times or 5 times or something like that. So there's quite a lot of things that you can do with this side button here. And also, before I forget, you can also like take screenshot with it. So if you press this side button together with the volume up button, so that will the side button with the volume up, that will help you take a screenshot. Okay, that's also another feature of this side button which will be handy and useful for you, taking screenshot of that. And apart from all those things, you can basically use this button for quite a lot of. It's not just a power off, or it's just a power off or power on button, or to wake up your screen. So it's beyond that. As you can see, you have a lot of features or things that you can do with this, which you are capable, which the button is capable of. So I'm pretty sure the information I've provided in this video will be useful for you. And if you found it useful, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you all in a new video. And thanks for watching.